biodegradable waste is managed effectively, then it can be turned into a good manure which can be used in the garden. Let me take you to the house of Dr. Sheila Gupte, where she has found an inspiring way to manage their home waste in an effective manner.
The only other thing would have been to dump it in some corner and create a lot of health hazard plus ugly sights and horrible smell and other things. Since we started living in this house, there is a lot of garden waste as well, in addition to the kitchen waste that everyone has. So we had to think of something different so that we could deal with the waste from the garden within the garden compound itself. So now we have actually started vermicomposting all the biodegradable waste together, all the leaves and other things from the garden plus the waste from the kitchen. Continuously we have some place to put in our waste, as well as at the same time there is continuously a good supply of manure, of vermicompost. If little bit of care is taken, vermicompost unit can be handled very easily even in flats. The worms don't creep out, there is no dirt outside, it's very neat, compact, and at the same time gives you very good quality compost for your potted plants. So we started on a very small scale in small drums, but as the year went by we saw that the amount of leaves and other things which fall is so huge that finally we had to construct a proper vermicompost unit with 3 sections, and as each section gets filled we have started using the next section of the vermicompost unit.
After meeting Dr. Sheila Gupte, I have learned a new method to manage our home waste in an effective manner, and I have decided to follow the same. This method does not cost much but is helping us keeping our environment clean and green. I request you all to take this initiative forward and also use this method to manage your home waste in an effective manner. This is Sulochana Pendekar from Siolim, Goa, reporting for India Unheard.